Nearly 1,100 City of San Diego employees have so far filed exemption requests, and more than half of them work for the San Diego Police Department. As of Wednesday, the city had received 525 requests from police. That's more than 20% of the entire department. Other city departments with high numbers of requests include fire, transportation, environmental services, and stormwater. The numbers are particularly concerning to public health experts because employees in those departments have the most frequent interactions with the public, especially the police. And people don't always have a choice about whether they come in close contact with police officers, says Rebecca Fielding Miller, an epidemiologist at UC San Diego.
It's not like you can just walk away from a police officer if you don't feel safe. If it's mandatory that you have to spend time with somebody face to face, then that other person should have to be vaccinated because it's an airborne infectious disease.
The police and fire unions did not return requests for comment. The city will review each exemption request on a case-by-case basis and may reach out to employees for additional information, says spokeswoman Nicole Darling.
It involves human resources, reviewing the employee's written submissions, as well as communications with the employee to really determine the employee's circumstances and then appropriate potential accommodations.
Employees could either request medical or religious exemptions, but the bulk, almost 96%, filed religious requests. The medical exemptions require the employee to fill out a 3-page questionnaire about their health condition and have a healthcare professional fill out a reasonable accommodation medical documentation form. The religious exemptions require the employee to identify their religion or belief system and then describe the specific tenet, belief, or practice that conflicts with the city's vaccination requirement. And if an employee has received other vaccinations, like tetanus shots, flu shots, or childhood vaccinations, the form asks them to explain how their religious beliefs prevent them from getting the COVID vaccine, but not the others. No additional information is required, but the form says the city may follow up with the employee for, quote, additional supporting information and documentation. The city has yet to approve or deny any of the requests. Claire Trageser, KPBS News.